Standard modules use traditional SMD packaging, leaving the LEDs exposed and offering relatively weak protection. GOB modules employ onboard adhesive filling technology, using a special adhesive to cover the LEDs, forming a robust waterproof, dustproof, and impact-resistant protective layer. COB modules integrate the LEDs onto the PCB board and uniformly cover them with a layer of encapsulating adhesive, eliminating the need for traditional brackets and wire bonding structures. The GOB module features specially formulated shock-absorbing material. The module surface utilizes an innovative adhesive filling and sealing process for effective protection. The panel uses a new material with excellent light-carrying properties, is completely dust-proof, and offers exceptional clarity. The fully encapsulated colloid of COB modules offers superior impact resistance, dust-proofing, and moisture resistance, providing greater protection than GOB modules. COB modules also offer more detailed image display and higher contrast, making them particularly suitable for small-pitch LED displays and meeting high-definition display requirements.